Hey everyone, Chet here. Today I'm comparing Shopify and Magento, two of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there. I'll walk you through their features and pricing so that you can decide which is the better fit for your online store. But before we start, let's go with a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store today the right way, check that link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial and a $1 per month offer. You also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Let's get started. First off, let's start with a quick overview of these platforms. Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that's designed for simplicity, speed, and ease of use. Everything is hosted for you, so you don't have to worry about server security or updates. It's a great choice for beginners and growing brands that really want to build a store fast. On the other hand, Magento, also known as Adobe Commerce, is open source and it's built for advanced customization. It gives you full control over every part of your store, but it also requires technical knowledge or a developer to manage it. Next up, let's compare the features. Shopify gives you all the tools that you need from the start. It has an easy-to-use website builder, different designs to choose from, and a secure payment system, and it lets you take payments directly. You can also manage products, track inventory, offer discounts, and remind customers about items left in their carts. Shopify even helps you sell on social media, online marketplaces, and in person. It's designed to be simple with no coding needed. Magento works differently because it's open source. You can change almost anything you want. It's great for stores with huge numbers of products or special requirements. You can run multiple stores from one place or have more control over your website's settings. However, many features need extra components or help from a developer. You also have to handle your own website hosting and security. This makes Magento very flexible, but it also makes it much more complicated than Shopify. Next up, ease of use. Shopify is famous for being very simple and easy for beginners. Its main screen is clear and you can build a store fast, even if you've never done it before. Shopify takes care of updates for you. Magento, it's a bit harder to learn. It gives you a lot more control, but it's really made for tech experts or developers. If you're just starting out, Magento can seem like way too much, whereas Shopify is simple from the get-go. Finally, pricing. Shopify has 4 plans. Basic is $25 per month. Grow is $65 per month. Advanced is $399 per month. And the Plus plan is $2,300 per month on a long-term contract. Magento open source is free to install, but you must pay for hosting, security, and developers if you need help. So which platform should you choose? If you want an easy, reliable, all-in-one e-commerce solution that doesn't require technical work, Shopify is the best choice. It's fast, simple, and great for most online businesses. But if you need deep customization, complex features, and full control over your store, Magento is a stronger option as long as you have the technical resources to support it. All right, that's it for the video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you at all, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.